Hello, this is Kelly Cooper and I am presenting my report, What is the impact on local marine life and the environment when mangroves are not sustained? Where did the topic idea come from? Articles in the local newspaper over the years about mangrove destruction caught my eye. My memories of studying local mangroves in science at school and my love for my area and the Bayside lifestyle and my anger over careless destruction. Where did I begin my research? The first place, of course, was the Redland City Bulletin, where I searched mangrove destruction. Then I looked on Google for the same keyword search and came up with lots of news articles. Then I looked in Google Scholar for any texts and scientific notes on the topic. I later used YouTube and TED Talks to help bring it all together. So what is the function of a mangrove in the environment? The function of the mangrove is quite complex, as it is protection not just for crabs, fish, snails and other organisms to breed and grow, but also for coastlines against weather events, for fisheries, for blue carbon sequestration, which is the ability to capture carbon from the air and store it in the sediment. How are mangroves being destroyed? Vandalism. They're being cut down for the sake of a view or firewood. They're being poisoned also for this reason, or set on fire just because. Land development is another reason they are being destroyed. However, the good news is they are a protected species and must be cleared according to law. Why is this an environmental or sustainability concern? As discovered in the research, blue carbon sequestration is something governments can look to for carbon emission solutions that would counter the impact from an expanding population. This is a world that consumes energy products, releasing poisonous byproducts into the air at a rapid rate, so the Earth is struggling to keep up, as proven in various investigations and research on climate change and global warming. The mangrove is crucial in our environment, and education and awareness are key factors in implementing sustaining measures and increasing forest numbers. One tree can sequester 40% more carbon from the air than a tree in the rainforest. What can be done to prevent mangrove destruction? Prosecution of those involved in its vandalism or destruction, better policies for land development, and the most important of all is education, educating our kids and residents in the importance of the mangrove. Links to the Australian curriculum. When considering education and awareness as a step in sustaining mangroves, it leads on to where the research links to the curriculum. Examining the year levels and descriptors of the Australian curriculum led to the conclusion that it is important to touch on the function of the mangrove as early as possible. However, investigating and exploring the plant, its role in the environment, and the need to sustain it links closely to Year 6 and 7 strands of science as a human endeavour. For example, relating specifically to students can form explanations and predictions after analysing collected data on the mangroves and the effects human interference has on mangrove forest numbers and the reason they need sustaining. This aligns with ASCHE 098 of the curriculum.